Giant Dinosaurs by Erna Rowe. Pictures by Merle Smith. Dinosaurs were giants that lived long, long ago. There were all sorts of giant dinosaurs. Trachodon. Trachodon was as big as a house. His bill looked like a duck's, so he is also called duckbill. He was a plant eater. Trachodon had 2,000 teeth. I cannot find the one that hurts. Brontosaurus. His name means thunder lizard. When he walked, it sounded like thunder. He lived on plants, too. Brontosaurus was as big as 2 schoolrooms. Brachiosaurus lived in water. He weighed more than any other dinosaur. He was as heavy as 10 elephants. Diplodicus was as long as 5 or 6 cars. He was the longest dinosaur ever to live on Earth. Tyrannosaurus Rex. He was as tall as a telephone pole. He was the king of the dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus was a meat eater. He attacked plant eaters. He was very fierce. His teeth were long and sharp. Rawr! Stegosaurus was a plant eater. The plates on his back and the spikes on his tail helped protect him from meat eaters. Stegosaurus would fit in a living room. He was smaller than the other giant dinosaurs. Triceratops lived on plants, too. He had 2 sharp horns on his head and another on his nose. Would a meat eater attack Triceratops? I wonder. Baby dinosaurs came from eggs. Some of these eggs have been found after millions of years. They have turned to stone. Dinosaurs made huge footprints in the mud. Some are as long as your arm. After a long, long, long time, the mud became hard and turned to stone. Today you can see dinosaur footprints in a museum. No one ever saw a living dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Look at the map. It shows some of the places where dinosaur bones have been found. Can you find a place in your country where dinosaurs lived? If you want to learn more about dinosaurs, you can go to a museum. Here is a skeleton of a Brontosaurus in a museum. It will make you feel very small. Many museums have displays about dinosaurs. You can see displays at these museums listed below. Some dinosaurs were small, but all of the dinosaurs in this book were giants. This chart shows the size of all the dinosaurs in this book. The T-Rex averaged approximately 36 feet. Here is a meat eater's footprint found in central Bolivia. It is over 3 feet wide. Here's Bolivia on a world map. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, friends. Hi friends! As you may know, YouTube no longer supports commercials on the kid-friendly shows. Creators who want to help kids learn receive no compensation for their hard work. Please help show your support for them any way you can. If you would like to support this channel, I've started a DIY playlist as well called Go Go Dat. Look for it under playlists on this same channel, Tumsky and Mrs. Small. I will create a link under Show More. Go Go Dad is a DIY, do-it-yourself channel where we create things step by step sometimes, or lessons on painting. We'll do sewing projects. We have Trash to Treasure, where we upcycle things that we're no longer using and want to make fun stuff from. Most importantly, we're adding a easy section for those who want to do little crafts. So come check us out and support by watching and giving us a thumbs up. Life is beautiful and everyone can be creative. You can do it. Create something you've always wanted to. Thanks, friends! I wonder what's up next.